Friends, welcome again to this new video tutorial with our speaker. In this video I'm going to be working with you guys, showing you some of the most of the things you guys need to know with the Python and Flask. Now in the previous video I happened to show you guys on how to on us adding up more HTML pages into our Flask Python website. You guys, if you have not happened to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please guys subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get always a chance to program with me whenever I happen to upload videos. You will be notified. So you can also share my YouTube channel to your friends, and then you get chances to learn with me. I have over 400 videos, and all my videos are in a different playlist, so you can definitely go to my playlist and access them. There are over 400 something videos, so you guys, you can go on and then you get a chance to do that. Now on the other way around guys, I'm just going to work with you guys very fast. So make sure you have Python installed in your PC. Yeah, so I'm going to be using up my previous project because I have some project called Flask here, and this is the project I'm going to work on with. So I'm just going to go to my cd dash dash and then cd users. You can also go cd backslash osp get, so you can just say backslash osp. To take me straight, just say cd one as a desktop. Get, so I already have this project on the desktop and it's called cd Python. I could still go further because I have another project called Python Flask underneath there, which if I do that definitely direct me to that given path. Now underneath there I also have to go to cd web, because underneath web is where we have our new project, and I just need to activate this script. So I'll just simply say catalog scripts and I give / activate. So this is going to be activating for us the Python kind of script which is holding our project. To run our project, don't forget you just need to open up any browser of your choice. So I have to open up my notepad plus Sublime text editor, so I'm just going to open up my project, Python project, which is this here. And remember last time when I tried to run for this project, if I just write my Python dash, the name of the project is called hello.py. I said Python. I think I made some mistake. I said Python dash hello.py. This definitely will give you a chance to launch up the project, and I think you can see it's going to be launching up our project on the browser. And I think you can see it has started up. Now some of you guys thought maybe especially guys from Pakistan, I wanted to make things clear. This thing works up in all versions and all those, whatever. Until for you guys to benefit, I advise you guys to follow me around, follow along with my videos. Those guys who don't want to follow along with my videos, I don't want to mess up guys, because I make these videos for you guys so that you can follow along with and learn with me. So follow along with me, learn, and then after learning to a point, to appreciate me or not appreciate me, I don't care. But if you find it interesting, learn it. Then also give me a like and subscribe. That's all. There's no big deal. Okay. So you can always use localhost, or you can decide to use the port number. So this is going to be 500. So if I do that, 5000. This gives me a simple demonstration to our website, and that's it. Hope you guys have seen that. Now having got that with you guys so far, this one takes us to our previous version of Python, and this is where last time we ended up with. Now today I just want to show you on one video showing how to add Bootstrap on this page. Now for instance, if you check back on our previous, sorry, it's a different project, on our previous Python, I add up there with CSS here. We can also add the Bootstrap. Now I'm going to be just showing you this, so guys you can go along with me. So if you go there in the browser, you can just type Bootstrap and just say Bootstrap free, maybe free download. We're not looking into templates, we're looking into just Bootstrap download. Now this will definitely take us to different versions of Bootstrap, because we have Bootstrap 3 and we have Bootstrap 4. So if you do that, you'll definitely get a chance to do that. So going down here, you have download here, we have download source. Now I don't need that. Now you can also just go into this and I simply say I want this. So I want this. Okay. That one takes me to Pixel Bootstrap 4, which is inside there. And if I copy that, yeah, so I can even click copy. I think you can see. So if I go here, so I have this is HTML CSS. So if I go down there, I can just paste my Bootstrap file like that. You can actually disable CSS, mean this W3 CSS, so that you can see the difference on the browser, because I want you guys to understand that. And if you do the other way around and try to do that, I need to refresh this browser a little bit. So if I do that, I think you can see it is launching up in the browser, and when you do this, sorry, that's your home page, but I think this is confusing me a little bit. Close that. I happen to apply that in that page. So I happen to download Bootstrap with W3 CSS too. So I'm going to, at the moment, first close this W3 CSS of ours. And you guys really see the difference here around. So I've added Bootstrap with the CSS around, but so far if you try to cross check, there's nothing else to see in the page. But because you have added the Bootstrap, that's how it responds. And to add Bootstrap work on this page, I just need to move this, that word of W, I want you to move this W off again. And if I save this page, so if I go and check some difference around, that's it, that's good. So underneath this page here, I can also just add, instead of till, you can just move that. You can say alert, maybe info, whatever thing you want to give there, so that if you check, think that's it. So, but that's not what I'm going to be using up. I'm going to using up something called wheel, like that. And wheel is going to give me a chance. So that I say wheel large. There's wheel large or wheel LG. Think wheel LG or wheel LG wheel, one of the two. But there's wheel small, wheel large. Okay, let me not waste a lot of time. I have just Jumbotron. Let me say that's okay, if that's the spelling. Okay. I think you can see that's a Bootstrap effect added up on a Python effect. Now, you guys, you can go further with other few things around like homepage, blah blah. Going in here, you can divide these pages using what you guys know in Bootstrap. Like for instance, using call maybe 4, if that's the case, call MD4 division. I'll be making for you guys other more few things on these things if you find it interesting. So you guys will find this video interesting, you'll comment down below, and then I can make for you guys video on how to use one as Python with one as division, so that you guys can differentiate that. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So I don't need this 4th one because I've used that kind of division. Now if you check this, if I refresh this page, we should find that this page is divided now. So I have this, have that. Now underneath here up, I can also just go back and enable my, if I enable my W3 CSS, does not bring much problem to my program. Yes, it just does that. So, and I can also even go back on my page here. I leave that to Bootstrap, but here I leave this to be W3 CSS, and I leave that off. Okay, and if I do that, my element will go in the middle. Like for instance, if I say here W3 minus center, this will push that element to given center or to the center. And then because I'm using that, so I can also go in here, I can even change this color like W3 minus maybe blue, if that's the color I want to use. So guys, that's it. This is simply how to add one as Bootstrap into a Python Flask website. Bootstrap with the Flask website. Now this is just a primary way of adding Bootstrap with the Flask. I want to be very open and I want to be clear, and I don't want anyone to call me a scammer, because I'm not that kind of a person. I'm a person who's honest, and I like to be honest. Only fake people, I don't want to leave them behind. But otherwise, you guys are watching my videos, I think you really are doing the great work, because I really want you guys to support me on that. Then on the other one, I'm going to be showing guys how to use one as a Flask template, Flask Bootstrap template. Now this is not the right way to do Flask. I very much you guys know Now you know how to use Flask, but this is not the right way. We use Flask with Bootstrap. I will show you guys on another video on how to really work with the Flask and Bootstrap to do all of those stuffs along, and how to even to download your Bootstrap so that you can be in a position to run all those stuffs in the Bootstrap Python. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you find it interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.